Let's try a couple more examples here. So we want to find the discriminant and identify the type and number of solutions, just like we did in the last video. Anytime you want to pause and try the problem on your own and then hit play so you can see the answer, go for it. Maybe skip around the video too if you'd like. Well, for this first one here, my A, B, and C, A equals 2, B equals 5, and C equals -6. So let's plug that in our formula. 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times -6. Now let's make sure we watch our signs. So I get 25, and I have a negative, positive, and a negative, so that's going to give me a positive number. I have 4 times 2 is 8, times 6 is 48. Add those two together, and I get 73. All right, so there's my discriminant. So how many solutions do I have? What type are they? Well, it's positive. It's greater than 0, so I have 2 real solutions. Awesome. Now, did I need to really add these two together to see that it was going to be 2 real solutions? No, I knew positive and a positive is going to give me a positive, so I'm all set to go. But it did ask for the discriminant, which is 73, so there we go. All right, why don't you try the next one on your own? Hit play when you're ready to see the work. There we have my A, B, and C. Let's plug it into the formula now. So this time I end up getting -23 for my answer. Well, it's a negative number. It's less than 0, so I'm going to have 2 imaginary solutions. Boom. This next one, this looks a little funny. What am I missing? I'm missing that middle term, that B. So what I really have for my A, B, and C would be A is 1, B is, well, it's not there, so it must be 0. I know a common mistake that you guys think it's going to be 1. Well, if it was 1, then you have 1x there. But it's not there. 0 times x, it just goes away, so we know that 0 is my coefficient. And then C is 8. All right, why don't you try it from here? Once it's all worked out, I get -32 for my discriminant. So I have, once again, 2 imaginary solutions. All right, let's try this last one now. This one I end up getting 0 for my discriminant. Well, if it's 0, if it's equal to 0, I get 1 real solution. All right. I think you guys are all set when it comes to finding your discriminant and identifying the type and number of solutions.